Ni hao, I am Richard Klederman and I'm very happy to present to you my new album, Romantique. Well, I think I have my style, I have my way of playing the piano, I have my emotions, my sensitiveness when I play the piano. So, and I think it makes me happy always, and it makes my style. I enjoy very much to listen to Barbra Streisand, for example, Paul McCartney, Elton John, or I am inspired by my family, for example, and it's always a pleasure, you know, when I am at home to be cool and to spend time with my wife, you know, so I feel better, you know, and so it's good after to go to the piano and try to play something new, and well, my family, I think my family is very important. It's nice for me to meet my fans, you know, and always they are very warm and very gentle and very nice with me. In 2013, I hope I will have lots of concerts, and also I hope that my album Romantique will have a big success, and I hope that people enjoy very much to listen to it. It's always difficult to explain a success, but I think this melody is very simple, not complicated, and this melody goes to the heart. You know, in 1976, I was a studio musician, and an accompanist for different French singers. And Olivier Toussaint, one of my two producers, had heard about me. He was looking for a piano player and to play this nice melody. I know that he has auditioned about 20 piano players. And in the end, I was the one he has chosen. This ballad pour Adeline was composed by Paul de Senneville, and he decided to entitle it Pour Adeline because his daughter was born a few months before he composed this nice melody. Maybe I have performed it 10,000 times, maybe more. When I play this tune, sometimes I play this ballad solo, sometimes with a big orchestra, sometimes with a rhythm section, and always it's a pleasure for me to play this ballad because for me it's a nice melody and also for the audience, it's something special for my audience. This album is entitled Romantic, and when I hear the word romantic, it makes me think something very soft, very tender, very elegant, and so this title, Romantic, it's very good for my album. For me, the most beautiful songs are love songs, and I love to play this kind of love song, because always it's something special to bring my way of playing the piano, to bring my sensitiveness, to bring my whole emotion. One of my favorite tracks from this album is the Adagio from Spartacus, because the melody is so nice, the arrangement, and also Khachaturian is a very good composer. In fact, I wanted to record this album with a big orchestra, with a symphony orchestra. That's why I went to Bulgaria, in Sofia, to have this big orchestra, and because in Sofia there are lots of very good musicians. And I have recorded my piano in Paris, in a very good studio, but I think it was perfect, the combination between the big orchestra, the symphony orchestra, my piano in Paris, so it was perfect. It's perfect for me when I did concert in Europe, of course, but I like to go in Asia, in China, in Japan, and also I like to go in South America. And being on tour, it's every concert. It's a challenge for me, because I have to do a nice concert, of course, but I need a good piano, a good sound system, good lights, and the most important thing for me is to share my music with my audience. I must say I did a few concerts in a big stadium, a football stadium, and I must say that for a piano player to be in front of 20 or 30,000 people, it's something crazy, I used to play everywhere, but I like to play in Japan, for example, because everything is very well organized. But I also like to play in South America because everything is very disorganized.